What is the Marie Kondo rule of communication? I'm Andrew, I'm the Flannel Philosopher, and I have made up my own Marie Kondo rule of communication. In fact, I call it the reverse Marie Kondo rule. Now, I've not watched the show myself, but apparently there's an organizational genius or mastermind, or at least influencer, that has this rule that if something in your house doesn't bring you pleasure, throw it out. Like if something doesn't make you happy, doesn't bring you joy, to get rid of it. That's at least my paraphrase of the rule. And I've got thinking that there's maybe a reverse of that when it comes to communication. If something makes me too happy, I better hold it in. You ever get in that conversation and there's this particular moment and there's this thing that would make you so happy to say. It's just something to get off your chest, or a zinger that you've been saving, or this perfect insult. And there's a sense where it just makes you really happy. I've learned that if I start getting that feeling, it's best to get a second opinion. Before firing that out, before sending that, before saying that, follow the reverse Marie Kondo rule and say, if it brings me too much joy, keep it in, at least until you get it checked. I have a couple people in my life, depending on the circumstance, whether that's business or family or church, that if I get the sense that I really enjoy a message, I'll check it with them. I'll say, hey, here's what I'm thinking about sending. What do you think? Usually when I have that gut feeling and I send that to them, they come back with some response of, that's terrible. And it's gonna take you a long time to clean up that mess. Now, am I a little annoyed to have not sent it and get the joy out of sending it and getting the response? Maybe. But do I greatly value the perspective of those people who are trying to keep me and others safe and not say things that I will later and quickly regret? Absolutely. So I'd say monitor how you feel about the communication you're sending, particularly in a stressful situation. If it makes you too happy to say it, it might not be the right thing to say, or at least the right timing in which to say it. In those moments, remember the reverse Marie Kondo rule. If it makes you too happy, better keep it in, at least until you get it checked.